good morning, students. Welcome to your English language class. Today we are going to do transformation of sentences containing the adverb TOO2. But before that, let us discuss the objectives of today's session. So here are the objectives. First, you will be able to convert the sentences containing the adverb TOO2 without changing its meaning by using so that, and you will be able to convert the sentences containing so that into sentences containing the adverb TOO2 without changing its meaning. So students, to transform a sentence is to change it from one grammatical form to another without changing its meaning. The following examples will show how it is possible to change the form of a sentence without changing its meaning. Such a process is also known as conversion of sentences. Now students, first we are going to transform the sentence containing the adverb to, that is TOO2. In this type of transformation, the question will have the adverb to and we will be told to remove to. Now what do we do? When we have to remove the adverb, we must replace it with another word or words. But remember, the meaning should remain the same. Now students, how do we do this? So for this, you have to see the examples. So just look at the example here. He is too tired to run. Now here students, in this example, in too tired, tired is an adjective and to run is an infinitive. So we will replace TOO2 with so followed by adjective. Then we will replace infinitive with that plus subject plus helping verb plus not. So the answer will be he is so tired that he cannot run. You can see there that we have changed TOO2 into so followed by adjective, that is tired, and we have changed infinitive, that is to run, into that plus subject plus helping verb plus not. Now students, keep this in mind. If the statement is in present tense, we have to use cannot. And if the statement is in past tense, then we will use could not. This we will learn in the further examples, right? So remember, whenever we have to plus infinitive, we will replace it with so that. But remember one thing students, with TOO2 there will be no negative and with so there will be a negative. So that is the way you solve such sentences. Now let's take more examples to make it clear. So here is the next example. The news is too good to be true. Now here students, we will change TOO2 into so and TO2 plus be, that is infinitive, into that plus subject plus helping verb plus not. So it will become the news is so good that it cannot be true. Now students, let's take another example. He is too old to learn things. Now here again we will change TOO2 into so and to learn, that is an infinitive, into that plus subject plus helping verb plus not. So it will become he is so old that he cannot learn things. Now let's take another example. She is too proud to apologize. So students, when a person can do but not ready to do something, then we will use will not in present tense and would not in past tense. Now here students, we are referring to have the ability to apologize. But she will never do this. Why? Because she is very proud. So here instead of using can, we will use will as a helping verb. So here is the sentence. We will change TOO into so, followed by adjective, that is proud, that, followed by subject here is she. Then we will use the helping verb. As I already told you, here we will use will. So the helping verb is will, followed by not. So the answer will be, she is so proud that she will not apologize. Now let's take one more example like this. He is too honest to accept a bribe. Now here students, again, he is very honest. Now here the person can accept the bribe, but he is very honest, so he will not do this. So here we will change TOO into so and an infinitive into that plus subject plus helping verb plus not. So here I already told you again, we will use will not instead of writing cannot. So here the answer will be, he is so honest that he will not accept a bribe. So you have to be very much careful about using can and will as a helping verb in the sentence. Now students, let's proceed to another example. It was too hot for us to go out. Now here we will change TOO into so, and to go, that is an infinitive, will change into that plus subject plus helping verb plus not. Now here students, as this statement is in past tense, so the helping verb will also be in the past tense. We will use past form of can, that is could. Now children, you will observe that in this statement we have additional words for us. These words will form the subject that we will use in place of infinitive. Now what is the subjective form of us? That is we. So here for us will change into we. So our answer will be, it was so hot that we could not go out. Now next students, the next example is given to you there. He is so tired that he cannot walk. Now here students, here it is just you have to interchange it. Instead of changing TOO into so, we will change so into TOO and we will change that plus subject plus helping verb plus not into infinitive. So here we will change so into TOO and that plus subject plus helping verb plus not will change into an infinitive, that is to walk. So the answer will be, he is too tired to walk. Now let's take one more example. This shirt is so dirty that I cannot wear it. Now here students, keep in mind, in the first part of the sentence, the subject is this shirt. And in the second part of the sentence, the subject is I. So we have already used the shirt in the sentence. Now where will I go students? I will change into for me. I am repeating, we will change here so into to, that is TOO. Then we will change that plus subject plus helping verb plus not into an infinitive. And here we will change I into for me. So our answer will be, this shirt is too dirty for me to wear. Hope it's clear. Now let's proceed to another sentence. The sum was so difficult that we could not solve it. Here again, we will change so into TOO2 and we will change that plus subject plus helping verb plus not into an infinitive. And here students, for we will use for us. So our answer will be the sum was too difficult for us to solve. So students, this is all about our today's session. Students, I hope you have understood the use of TOO2 and so that. So your homework is solve the exercises given in your SNAP homework. Thank you students. Have a nice day.